Also, if you're ever thinking about doing fully sintered brakes, I recommend it. I love it. Other than having to warm them up, but that literally takes the time it takes me to get to town, so I'm not too concerned on myself. But if you all live in town, yeah, it's gonna take a minute to warm them up. I clocked 129 on my dash and 120 on my GPS right there, so I think my sprockets are a little bit off or the sensor's off, one of the two. I gotta replace the sensor anyway, it's old and it doesn't work all the time, so who knows. Scared me. I didn't mean to go that high. I tried to get on the throttle. I didn't mean to fucking come up. Holy shit. Am I recording? Yo, I am. Let's go. I wasn't sure. This whole time I've been talking to myself, hoping I was recording, but that was really the big I hope I'm recording part right there. I'm curious to see how that came out on the GoPro though, because it's either going to come out really damn good or really damn bad. And I don't know, I'm hoping it came out really good. I don't even know how high I got it, like front end wise. I know it's farther than I'm used to though. And that was all power wheelie too. I didn't clutch that up. That was just purely I went to get in the fucking throttle. I cut it for 1 second. I hit it and I was like, wow! Alright. I plan on getting breakable, so I'm gonna park here for a second. I don't want to record yet, or I don't want to stop yet. I'm gonna go out and record somewhere, but I'm gonna stop this and clip that. Quiet in the world right now. For now anyway. But I'm out recording on a Sunday, which means there's not going to be a video today, which is when I said there was going to be, so like I apologize. This weekend was a bit more hectic than I thought. I didn't get to record until today. See, I can reliably do power wheelies in first, but like I can't get the clutch up in first, so I don't know what my problem is. You know, definitely rider operator error on that one. I'm not gonna get the clutch up. Oh, so a couple of things. I'm still trying to do TikTok here and there and Instagram. I'm not too good at posting on either of those lately because everything's been tanking on both platforms, so I just haven't felt it like. I don't know what the word is. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Oh my gosh, what's the word? I've been feeling pretty discouraged, that's the word, about posting on both of those, because if I'm putting all this time and energy into it, I'm not getting any like return, you know, then I might cut back on it like I have been, which is whatever, but